Good afternoon. Welcome to Geir Ivar gårdtur. I am Geir Ivar and I've gone hiking. Today I've gone hiking through this waterfall. It's frozen now, but I'll try to do a drone film of it, if the drone accepts the cold weather. I'm carrying this chest rig just to test and see if my drone is safe in it, and also if I could walk with the controller inside this one while the drone is filming. So just have to rig my gear and we'll see if it flies. Seems to work so far. Yes, take off with caution. I shouldn't take off just beneath a tree. Home point has been updated. Yeah. This is good. And is it battery? Yeah, I think I have a charge. Yeah. And now we'll try filming the waterfall. Oh, let's see if we get to zoom home again. Say hello to the camera. No, home. That went well. I think the clips were really nice, I hope, and I did film them, I think, so you have seen it already. This was fun. Thank you for joining me on this trip with the drone and the frozen waterfall, and I'll see you next time.